I feel like I'm taking a school picture. So this is a whole chicken. It looks a little intimidating, but if you buy it whole, like every other animal, it's a lot cheaper. A whole chicken is definitely more affordable, and I'm gonna show you how to break this down, easy peasy. First off, you're gonna hold it by its leg like this, and you're gonna let gravity do some of the work. With this rift here, take a very sharp knife and just cut through. When you're cutting through this, you wanna make sure that you get the oyster. You're like, what are you talking about? It's a chicken. The oyster is the best part of a chicken, if you don't know. It's right where the joint is. It's a little piece. So this is the chicken leg. The thigh is here and the drumstick is here. What you want to do when you're breaking it down is cut through the joint. Drumstick, thigh. Repeat. I love using this gravity trick because you just hang it by its leg and it has a natural inseam right here. Just slice. Ta-da! This is the oyster. And again, you're just gonna cut right through the joint. Leg, thigh. My favorite part, the wing. Again, gravity, go right through. How do you know it's a joint? Pop. Continue. The little white part, that's the cartilage. One wing. Two wing. Hello. Now we're going to do two different types of breasts. I'm gonna do one side, which is the culinary school way, which is shaving off the meat off the bone. So it's a little handle. You wanna take a sharp knife and cut right through the breast, where the breastbone is. Where do you know where the breastbone is? It's hard, and you could just graze your finger through. And then when you get to the bottom, you're going to feel some other cartilage. When you get to this part, you're gonna snap off where the cartilage is, cut through. Okay, so this is what it looks like to have an airline breast. You are then going to take the little nub, cut around it, be careful. You're kind of making like a little lollipop, but don't eat this raw. And then just push down, little handle, like so. And then you can clean this part by just cutting it off. The cartilage, it's just for presentation. It really doesn't affect the flavor or anything. I mean, it's nice to have a handle, but that's really it. So now I'm gonna show you how to get the other chicken breast similar to what you see in a supermarket. See, that's the breastbone. You're gonna go on the other side now. When you get to the joint area, instead of continuing this way, you're just gonna cut right through here and remove. The little drumette is still on the carcass, and you have a beautiful breast here. If you want the tenderloin, it's really easy. You could just rip it right off. It's a separate little piece. Don't overcook this, because then it won't be tender anymore. It'll be dry like jerky. And there you have it, a clean chicken breast. And if you want it skinless, go to the bottom of the chicken breast, peel it right off. As for this guy, what I would do is trim off the additional fat, skin. Maybe it's a little booty. Bootyless. Then you could take the carcass, throw it in some water, some vegetables, and you can make your very own chicken stock. That's it. You just broke down a chicken.